guys, so I'm here to show you how to complete your assignment if you missed either Thursday, September 17th or Friday, September 18th, depending on whether you're an A day or a B day. So you'll find the date that you missed, which should be either 9/17 or 9/18. It will say Nearpod recorded. So when you get here, this is going to be a self-paced Nearpod. Since you missed the live session, you're going to go here and click on the Nearpod link. So once you're here, you're going to put your name in, you'll join the lesson, and then you just follow through. Make sure that you're completing everything. If you see something like this, you need to wait for it to load, and it asks you a question up here. What is a force? And so you need to write your answer. Your grade on here is based on participation. So once you finish, it will give me a percentage of how much you participated. So make sure that you're going through this and completing all the sections. Now, once you get to let me find it. Once you get here to the web activity, this is a PhET simulation. And so you're going to do this PhET interactive simulation. Once your PhET demo loads, you're going to click on the net force. And if after you play around with the net force, you're welcome to play with these three if you'd like, but this is the one I want you to play with, net force. So I want you to spend at least 5 minutes playing around with this. I want you to notice what makes the rope not move at all versus what would make the rope move to the right, or what would make it move to the left. I want you to make sure that you're clicking sum of forces, value, speed. So you can see the net force. So if we're moving 200 newtons to the left, 150 newtons to the right, our net force, our sum of forces would be 50 newtons towards the left. So take some time and play with this. You should, of course, go through all the Nearpod slides and answer all the activities and questions, but make sure you're spending extra time observing this demo, because when you're done with this demo, you need to exit out of your Nearpod. When you're done with the demo, exit out of the Nearpod. And then you need to, it says right here, you will need your digital notebook after the Nearpod to complete your demo observation, slide 9. So you go up to your digital notebook now. I also want to remind you that your vocabulary is due, and I'll show you how to do that in case you forgot. So you need to go to your table of contents first and fill in 9/17 or 9/18, depending on if you're A day or B day, PhET observation sheet, slide number 9. So fill in your table of content, scroll down to slide 9. Name of the activity is PhET motion and force. So here you're going to write a summary of your observations. What did you observe when you did this demo? What did you notice? What did you see? And then what is the big idea? What did you learn? Why do you think I made you do this demo? What do you think the big idea was? Okay, so make sure you complete this. Once you're done with this, make sure that your vocab is getting completed. Just a reminder how to do your vocab. You have 2 pages of vocab to do, 7 and 8. Pages 7 and 8. To do your vocabulary, you need to go and get the filled out vocab, which is where it was last time, reading and vocab. If you haven't finished your vocab, you're going to click here, force and motion vocabulary. You'll need your notebook open and the definitions open. So you'll have one tab with your definitions. So this is a picture of a ball that's staying still. So we'll go to our notebook and find that picture. A ball staying still, that's right here. That's called resting position. An object remaining in the same spot. Okay, so you're going to have to flip back between your 2 tabs to complete your vocab. As you're doing this, when you get to the end of the line, you can hit the down key and it'll take you to a new line. Down key, take you to a new line. This will keep you from moving the pictures and spreading out the text boxes. If you're having trouble typing, you are welcome to do a new text box by clicking the T, and you can insert yourself a new text box right here. So make sure you get your vocab done, your observation sheet, and your Nearpod. If you have questions, go ahead and comment.